even recording. Testing 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2. Hey. Okay, let me rub on my, because the words don't be coming out the way the words, I need the words to be coming out, child. They don't be coming out, okay? I know I ain't the only one rubbing on something to help me get the courage to do certain things. That sounded nasty. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. And today, all I want to do is introduce myself to the people who just popped in to say hi, new subscribers, and hopefully future subscribers, and as well as the old subscribers. Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? Right, so again, my name is Vageline, born and raised in Brooklyn, New York. I don't know why I felt like I had to say that, but I had to say that so you know where I'm coming from. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so on this channel, we do everything here synthetically fun, which simply means all I do really is review synthetic wigs. Now, when I first started my channel about 2 years ago, I want to say, I started my channel because there was something missing for me. I just had 2 kids and I was just all over the place, and I was just trying to find my happy spot. I was trying to find me again. I was trying to find the Vageline that's not a full-time mom, full-time worker, full-time girlfriend, full-time everything, and just trying to find something that made me happy. And the 4 things at the time that made me extremely happy was synthetic wigs. Let me put it in the right order. Dollar Tree, baking, cooking, and synthetic wigs. That's what my platform was supposed to be about. As I started to go on, I probably maybe did 1 Dollar Tree video. The rest are literally cooking, because I still do a little bit of that with my mom whenever she comes into town, but mostly my videos are about synthetic wigs. Again, when I started everything, I actually was posting up on Instagram. I had a really good friend of mine to give me the courage to actually push me to go ahead and just put those videos on YouTube. And I ain't gonna lie, I posted like 3 videos, and in my head I was like, oh, I'm about to blow up. And didn't. And did not, okay? Those videos today probably didn't even make 100 views. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But every trial and error and trial, I had to learn a lot. I had to go to YouTube University just to get the basics on what I'm actually doing here. Like, it's a lot, and I'm still learning. So what's my whole goal to being on this YouTube platform, right? So first of all, when I started this, like I said, I had so many different ideas, and everyone kept saying, find a niche, find a niche, find a niche, find a niche. And since I look like this on a regular basis, I decided that dressing up, putting on these synthetic wigs, beating my face, made me feel good. So that's why I started to stick more to uploading these synthetic wigs. And then one thing led to another, and it just seemed like, I'm not gonna say this is my calling, but it seems like this is my niche, so I'm sticking to it. Although I will definitely still be posting cooking videos with my mom. I'm Haitian American, so there's a lot of traditions that I'm trying to make sure I keep so that I can hand down to my children. In order for me to do that, I gotta learn from the best. And trust me, if you've ever been to Mimi's kitchen, you already know she's the best at it. You understand what I'm saying? So the goal now pretty much is to continue to bring you more synthetical wigs, like this little cute bad one right here, which if you go to or up here or somewhere up here, I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put it, you can go ahead and watch that so you can get the details on this thing. But the goal here is to pretty much keep posting synthetic wigs that I think would look good on you because it looks good on me. Not only that, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so I can start getting some coins. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be real with y'all. I ain't just start YouTube just because I think I have a pretty face and these wigs look good. Shit's starting to get expensive. It's starting to get real out here. And I need some money. So, if you can go ahead and take this ride with me. Ride along with me. Come on. Come on. Ride along with me. Come on. Come on. Take this journey with me. I can go ahead and hit 1,000 subscribers, which will then lead me to 10,000 subscribers, which will then lead me to, you know what I'm saying, some money. While we're doing all of that, we're definitely just gonna have fun with it, and yeah, just keep slaying all these wigs, okay? Maybe one day I'll try a human hair wig. Not a fan. I like my synthetic wigs because they come pre-cut, pre-sliced, pre-diced, everything's already pre-done for me, so then I could just go ahead about doing what I need to do. You understand what I'm saying? You feel me? Slap it on, show it to you. This looks good. Would you buy it? Wouldn't you buy it? Go about your business. That's what we doing here, folks. That's what we doing here. Okay? If you like what you see in any of the videos that I post, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And for all you new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for the 700 people who are already subscribed. Let's go ahead and make that number continue to grow. And yeah, just have fun with it. Okay? All right. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.